Hey y'all, Crystal here. I have worked up a little stockinette swatch so that I could show you the Purl 2 Together, which is a simple knitting decrease that decreases your stitch count by 1. And you might need to use it if your pattern calls for a decrease on the purl side. So we are on the purl side of our stockinette here, and we are going to knit Purl 2 Together. So we insert our right hand needle into 2 stitches, and we're doing it just as if we would purl, so purlwise. So there's one, and then we're going into the second. So insert your needle into 2 stitches purlwise that you want to decrease. Wrap the yarn over like you would as if you would purl, and then scoop that through those 2 stitches. Slide them off so that your new Purl 2 Together stitch is on the right hand needle. It looks similar to a purl stitch when it's finished on the purl side, but you can see we have 2 loops there since the stitches are stacked. Let me purl on this last stitch in turn, and we'll look at our right side. And there we have the second stitch. Here is our Purl 2 Together. Okay, so I'll purl 2 together again for you. I've purled the first stitch in my row, and I have my yarn in the front because I'm purling, and I'm going to insert my needle purlwise into the 2 stitches that I want to purl together. Then wrap the yarn over, scoop it through and up, slide those off the left needle onto the right needle. And I have purled 2 stitches into 1, decreasing the stitch count by 1. So that's how you purl 2 together, which is a simple purl side knitting decrease to decrease 2 stitches into 1.